Welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to go through some Windows information commands which you must be aware of as an IT professional or a daily computer user. So I am going to open my CMD as administrator. I want you to do the same. Most of the commands are like information commands. I mean all of them, so they're not going to harm anything. wmic os get caption. So this command shows us the name of our operating system. It is Microsoft Windows 11 Home. And first part, we are going to focus on operating system. Let's try another command. wmic os get version. So if you understand the structure of the command, you literally know we are getting the version now, which is 10.0.26200. So let's move to the next command without wasting any time. wmic. Then once again, if you repeat the commands like on daily basis, you can understand the structure and the format of the command, and it is very easy to manipulate it. So wmios, wmic os get os architecture. So you understood it. Now I'm trying to see the architecture of my operating system. For example, is it 64-bit or is it 32-bit? And you can see that it is 64-bit. So when you go to install an application, there is an option, select your version. So it's Windows 11 32 or Windows 10 32-bit or 64-bit. Nowadays, most of the new operating systems or your laptops have 64-bit. Let's consider another interesting command. wmic os get install date. So this shows us the installation date of my operating system. It is very easy to read it. It's for the first one is year 2024, then there is month 12, then there is the day 14, then there's the time 16 in the European time format, 37 is the minute, and then there's the second. So I installed this operating system on this day at this time. So it's really interesting information, and of course we can get much more higher information, but as this is a basic video, so let's keep it simple. Next phase, let's get information about hardware. wmic CPU get name. You can see the name of my CPU, AMD Ryzen 5 7520U with Radeon graphics. So it is an integrated graphics. You must have some Intel. I'm pretty sure majority of the laptops have Intel, but it's good to just give it a go. Next command is wmic CPU get number of cores, and I'm going to hit enter, and I can see the cores of my CPU. So my CPU is a 4-core CPU. It has 4 cores. Usually your laptop is going to have 4 cores as well, and sometimes if you have a very powerful laptop or a server, there are 16 cores as well. So wmic CPU get number of logical processors. And here you can see that my CPU has 8 logical processors. So I got the information for my CPU. I got the name, I got the number of cores, and I got the number of logical processors. Let's try another command. wmic computer system. Now we are going to invoke computer system to give us information. Get information about what? About manufacturer. I'm going to get the information about the manufacturer of my laptop or computer. I'm going to hit, or you can use comma and add model. For example, I want 2 things, manufacturer and model. So you can see the manufacturer is Asus and the model is VivoBook Go E15 and blah blah blah. You can use this command separately as well. For example, wmic computer system get model, it's just going to return model, or you can join them like manufacturer comma model, like manufacturer and model. Let's try one more thing. wmic memory chip get capacity. I'm going to see the RAM capacity. So I have 2 sticks of 8 gigabytes. This is in the bits, that's why it appears in such a big number, but you don't have to be afraid. It is 8 gigabytes. So I have two sticks of 8 gigabytes, which means my RAM is 16 gigabytes. And usually that is how the configuration of RAM sticks is. It's not going to be one big stick of 16 gigabytes. It's going to be two sticks of 8 gigabytes. Let's move to the storage part, the last part of the video. Now we can get some information about the disk. So echo list, you're going to put this echo list disk part. So we are invoking disk part to give us the information about disk. And I can see that my disk has 476 gigabytes. It's actually in 512 gigabytes of disk, but it shows us in a weird way because there are partitions as well, and the BIOS, everything. We are going to see that in a while. I'm going to show that. Don't worry about it. Let's try the next command. Echo a list. Just remove disk with volume. You can use the arrow key to bring back the command instead of typing it. And now I can see the volumes of my disk. As I mentioned, my disk is divided into 4 volumes, 0, 1, 2, 3. The first one is my partition, which has the main operating system and everything, and my things, my files and video games and whatever. And then there is you can see that FAT32 or FAT32. Then there is NTFS partition. So these are BIOS and boot menu and everything. Here you can see that if you open disk management, you can see those partitions visually as well. Here you can, let me just try to put it in a way where we can see, or we can compare the volumes. You can see that on the, let me just try to get the numbers. Here you see that 475 gigabytes, it's here in the middle. Then there's 260, it's here on the right corner. So that's it. I hope you liked this simple video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.